Have you ever wondered how to effortlessly upload files to Google Slides in 2025? Whether it's a PowerPoint, an image, a video, or even a PDF, this quick guide will make the process simple and seamless. First, make sure your file is uploaded to Google Drive. This step is crucial because Google Slides works best when files are stored in Drive. Once your file is ready, open your Google Slides presentation. To upload a PowerPoint or similar file, click on File and then select Open. Switch to the Upload tab and either drag your file in or browse your computer to select it. Your slides will import in just a few seconds. If you want to add images, go to Insert and then Image. You can choose to upload from your computer or select the image directly from Drive. It's fast and keeps everything organized. Videos work slightly differently. Click on Insert, then Video, and choose your file from Google Drive. Once added, you can resize and position it just like any other element on your slide. For PDFs or other document types, upload them to Drive and then link them in your slides. This is a clean way to share extra resources without crowding your presentation. And that's it. By following these simple steps, uploading any file to Google Slides becomes a breeze. Start enhancing your presentations today with videos, images, and more, all directly from your Drive.